Can you tell which one of us is real?
And which one of us is an AI influencer?
What about me?
Do you think I'm real?
Or me, I can sell your product.
I can be your personal trainer.
I can try on clothes for your brand.
I can do an unboxing video.
And I never get tired or burn out.
I never miss deadlines.
And I always look and sound consistent in every ad you make.
So we're cooked, because none of these are real influencers, but they are real convincing and real convenient. Usually, building an AI influencer is a nightmare of 5 different subscriptions and 10 open tabs. You're constantly downloading and uploading files just to see if the lip sync even worked. Forget all that. We're doing everything in one place, Async. Async has now bridged the gap between Nano Banana 2 for character consistency and Kling 3.0 for hyper-realistic, fluid motion, all in a single workspace. Now the link is in the description, so let's get started. Step 1, generating our AI influencer. Inside the Async video editor, click Explore AI Models, and you're going to see you've got tabs here for image, video, and audio, all in this one workspace. We're starting with image. Now I've tested them all, and Nano Banana 2 gives the most photorealistic skin textures and lighting, so we're gonna select that. Now for the prompt, and this is where most people fail. So lazy prompts, they're gonna give you those stiff, plastic looking characters that scream, "This is an AI ad." Also, when you are generating your initial AI influencer, you want to make sure to set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical video. And you should also specifically include phrases like phone front camera selfie in your prompt, as user-generated content is almost always shot on an iPhone. Now, to make it easier, we're going to put a list of questions on screen for you here that you can answer. All you have to do is combine these answers into a paragraph, and you've got your prompt. So feel free to take a screenshot of the questions now. Okay, once you got your prompt ready, hit send, and then the AI is going to pitch that concept back to you. It's just a quick confirmation step here to ensure that the influencer it creates is exactly what you had in mind. So if you want to, you can add tweaks here, or you can give the AI the green light to go ahead and create your influencer. Now, once you're happy with it, you can hit download and we can move on to our product. Step 2, the product integration. So for this video, I've created a product here for women who exercise. It's this creatine here. Now, before we upload our product and we ask the AI to place it in the influencer's hand, we do need to make it look as realistic as possible. So upload your product image and then ask the AI chat to generate a 3x3 grid in a 16:9 aspect ratio and show the product from various angles. So using this grid as a reference, it just makes the AI much more likely to adjust the angle of the product in a realistic manner. Now we have to ask the AI chat to combine both images generated and to place the product wherever you want it to be placed. It could be on the table or in the influencer's hand, up to you. And also, you always want to explicitly tell it to match the lighting of the product to the environment. This is going to prevent your product from looking kind of awkwardly just pasted in. All right, now we've got my AI influencer and my product in the same shot. The best part here is the versatility. So you can do this as many times as you need to for different scenarios. Just upload your original influencer photo and then tell the AI to place them in the gym or in the kitchen doing meal prep, whatever it is you want. And that's just gonna give you a massive library of B-roll to play around with later on. Now that I've got my influencer and my product in the same shot, it is time for the magic. Now in the AI chat, you're going to type in Kling 3.0 or Kling Video V3, and this is the gold standard here for hyper-realistic motion right now. And it's also going to allow us to add dialogue in our script and then watch her come to life. So here's a massive pro tip for using Kling 3.0 and Nano Banana 2 together. You want to use the object anchor method. So most beginners here, they'll just prompt the character once and hope for the best. And that's how you get products disappearing mid-shot. So to fix this, you want to lock the product by naming the specific item and its traits in every action line. This is going to anchor the item into every single frame of the Kling generation. Also, don't just let your model stand there. You want to use prompts like walking through her house or gesturing while talking to let Kling 3.0 show off the physics engine that it has. Now for the script, you want to type out what it is that you want her to say and always put it in quotation marks around your dialogue, and even describe the tone of voice you want, like energetic or conversational. And since it is UGC, don't forget to set that aspect ratio to 9:16. then hit send, and just like before, the AI is going to pitch the summary back, check it, tweak it, or give it the green light. And if you do need multiple scenes like an unboxing followed by a testimonial, while the first scene is being created, we can open up a new tab in Async and then repeat the process for the second shot. And then once they're all generated, just drop your clips into the video editor timeline in order, and then we can trim any extra footage, and we can even add in some background music and add some subtitles. Now, after polishing it all up, we're going to export it and watch it back together.
Honestly, I thought this might be a scam because it was all over my For You page. However, I think the results speak for themselves.
Now that is a high converting photorealistic UGC ad created entirely with AI. No actors, no expensive gear, no burnout. I've put the link for Async in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI workflows that actually make you money. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.